G'day and welcome to Eden on the beautiful Sapphire Coast of southern New South Wales. It is Eden, it is paradise. The rolling hills of the Great Divide, coming on down and meeting the ocean on the golden sandy beaches, the rocky shorelines and folding into the deep blue of the Tasman Sea. That sea is just full of adventures. We've got fishing, we've got surfing, we've got diving, we've got plenty of seafood delights to eat and explore. This is a wonderful place with plenty on offer, so let's go have a look around. Halfway between Sydney and Melbourne is Eden, a fisherman's paradise and a family-friendly holiday destination. Sheltered and with deep water access for yachts and powerboats, Eden is a safe stop for passage makers as well as visitors by car. With beautiful beaches, wonderful restaurants and plenty of adventures on and off the water, your first stop for advice is the Visitors Centre, where you can book cruises, get advice on places to stay and much more. Whether you've come by boat or car, my personal favourite is the Killer Whale Museum. It's a must-stop for anyone travelling to Eden. Open all year round and built in 1938 in the Art Deco style of the time, the museum is hard to miss, standing high and proud over the bay with exceptional views all round. Often you can watch the migrating whales breaching and frolicking right out in front of the viewing platform. The kids in all of this will love Old Tom, whose skeleton sits on display for all to see. The legend of the killer whales of Eden has it that he helped the local townsfolk catch other whales, even pulling them out to sea in their whaling boats. An amazing story of man and beast, and just one of the many wonders of Eden. Throughout the museum, the history of the town and its relationship with the sea is explained and lovingly preserved by the dedicated and welcoming team. Eden is famous for fresh seafood, and there's no better way to have it than straight off the boat. Mussels, oysters, fresh fish, Eden has it all, and it tastes just great. The locals are wonderful and hospitable, and none more so than the kind hosts on Cat Ballou, Eden's premier whale watching boat. Humpback sightings are best during the lead up to summer, peaking around November. For the full experience, head to Eden's Whale Festival, held each year on the last weekend of November, when the town comes alive in celebration. Whether you're land-based or in a trailer boat, the fishing in Eden is terrific. Eden plays host to a number of annual fishing tournaments, especially for the hard-fighting marlin, tuna, shark and kingfish. The local Fishermen's Club is a great place to stop for refreshments, something to eat and to find out what's biting. Ramp facilities are modern, sheltered and well kept, particularly Quarantine Bay's massive multi-lane ramp and car park. Complete with cleaning tables and floating pontoons, the ramp gives easy access to the bay and well beyond. If you're looking for a place to stay, a few minutes out of town and only 1 kilometre from the boat ramp is the Sapphire Sun Holiday Eco Village, which offers plenty of parking for trailer boats and plenty of options to stay. Waking to the sight of the sun rising over the sea from the waterside cabins is just a pleasure for all. Eden has it all. Great fishing and boating amenities, plenty to keep the family entertained, but most importantly, friendly and welcoming locals. Enjoy Eden. We know you will.